Hey guys, this is Mike Hartman. Thank you for finding my video. Now, before I get started on this training session, as a housekeeping note, I would like to mention if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go down to the bottom of this video and just find my name, click it, it'll take you right to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I offer all kind of training sessions. It can be applied to any business model, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this video is about how to put an external link on your YouTube video. I've had a lot of people ask me how I do that, and so I just thought I'd run through the process. So what I've done is, what you're looking at is just a dummy YouTube channel that I started up for demonstration purposes. So I have no videos on it. I obviously don't have any pictures, nothing. So I just kind of want to walk you through the initial steps of how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of go up here to Video Manager, and I'm going to click that, and that'll take me to a boring page where I have nothing. So within Video Manager, what the first thing you want to do is go down here to Channel, and I'm going to click my channel page. And the first thing that you need to do is come up here to where it says verify. You want to verify your channel. So I'm just going to kind of click that, and then basically what you need to do is you have a choice. You can either be called, or you can have them text you a verification code. So if I just click text, for example, you put in your phone number here, 123-456-7890. That's obviously a dummy number, but then they're going to call you, and they're going to give you a 6-digit number that you want to put in on the screen, and then your account will be verified. So okay, so once actually, I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop this video now, and then I'm going to go into one of my real pages. I think it'll probably be easier to see the next steps if I've got some videos on it. So sit tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I've logged into one of my other YouTube channels that already have some videos on, so I can show you some other things. So if you've noticed in this account, if I can get my mouse to working, it says partner verified. So what I've done simply is I clicked the verify button. I had a code sent to me to my cell phone. I stuck it in there, hit submit, and now instead of verify, it says partner verified. So that's the first step that you need to do. Okay, so now once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come down here to where it says advanced, and you're going to click the advanced tab, and then what you want to do is come down here to where it says associated website. So what you want to do is I've already got my information in here, but you're going to plug in your website. Now the website could be just a domain name that you have. For example, the one that I have is just a domain name that I bought from GoDaddy, and then I have it redirected to a landing page. It could be a blog site, pretty much, whatever domain name that you have. I would for this, I would recommend GoDaddy, because the verification process is super easy to do. But mine has already been submitted and everything. But basically what's going to happen is you're going to submit that in there, and then you're going to have to verify the address. So there'll be a verify button in here, and you're just going to click that. And if it's a GoDaddy domain, for example, all you have to do is log. It'll direct you to GoDaddy, and as soon as you log in, it's been verified. And once it's been your website address has been verified, it'll show successful on here, and then it'll have your website address already in here. So now let's go, and I'll just kind of walk you through how you do this, as far as putting an external link in here. Let me go to my Video Manager. And I'm just going to kind of randomly pick a video. This one I don't use anymore, so this might be a good example. This was for a July 4th holiday promotion I was running. So once you get going in here, now the one thing I'll tell you, this I've noticed that when you do the annotations, it's kind of quirky as far as the YouTube software. So um, when you get to your screen for the video that you want to do this with, don't change anything on this screen, because if you do, I've noticed that you have to come back to it a few minutes later because the annotations don't work. So what I would recommend, you find your video you want to put something on, you're just going to come up here to annotations. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to stop this video so it doesn't. What you want to do first is let the video load. Like I said, I'm finding these annotations can be a little quirky, so you want to let it load first. And then I'm going to come over here to where it says add annotation. I'm going to click that, and I kind of like the speech bubble, and you'll see it appears right here, and you can move it around all over the place. I just kind of put it down here, and then you can also make it bigger, smaller, kind of whatever you want to do. So okay, so then you kind of come over here and then write in whatever you want. So let's just write in something. Secret video training now available for free. And I'm just making stuff up here. Click here. So okay, so you can see it here, and again you can kind of make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Then you can come down here to the size. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. You see it pops up a little bit bigger. Let's make it stand out a little bit. So I'll come over here and I'll make the background, let's make it red, and then I'll come over here to this middle section for the print, and I kind of like the white against the red, so it kind of shows up a little bit. And then as far as the start and an end, it's just a little trick. You don't have to mess around with this at all. Just come down here where the speech bubble box is, and then drag it out, so you can kind of make it the whole way you want, or just a little bit. So let's just carry it all on. Okay, so now here's the cool part. So now you want to come down to the link, and where it says video, you're gonna click this, and I'm going to come down to where it says associated website. Now that's the spot where you had your website verified. I'm going to click that, and then you type in the address. And you know what? Sometimes this, here's another tip for you. If you type this in, sometimes it won't work. And what you have to do as a trick is I have to go back to the darn channel screen. So let me do that. Why you have to do this, honestly, I don't know why, but you have to kind of just copy what's in that box, and then I'll have to go back to my video. I may have to start all over on this, but we shall see. As you can tell, I'm just kind of doing this on the fly here, so bear with me and we'll see what happens. I don't know if it'll have saved anything or not, but it should have. I think actually it should have saved it, but let's see what happens. So we're going to load it here, and yep, it saved it. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that. Oh, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go down here and click to the annotation that I already have, and I was right back to where I was at. So okay, so I already typed it in, made it bigger, print, red, white. Now I'm going to put the link in. So you're going to come over here and click this link box. You're going to go down here where it says associated website, and then I'm just going to paste in the address, and boom. Now the other tip I'll tell you is, once you do this, you have to wait. See how this publish box is not lit up yet? Now it is. It takes 10 seconds or so for YouTube to catch up and be ready to publish your information. So you just hit publish, and boom, you're done. So now let's see if this will work. So now when people watch your video, this is going to pop up at whatever time you set for it, and when they click it, it's going to go. Let's go ahead and do this, and I'll show you live here how this looks. And again, I was just doing this real quick, so you can jazz it up as you do it yourself. But I'm watching the video here, and sooner or later this box is going to pop up. There it is. Now when I click that, it should take me to a landing page. Boom, and there it goes to my joinmh.info, and and it should take me to a landing page that I have set up to capture leads. And as soon as my computer loads, hopefully it'll show you that screen. There it is, right there. So that's how it works. It's very, very simple to do, couple steps. And then what's really cool about it is, then you can to go into your Google Analytics and figure out which videos are getting the most attention, most views, and then you could add this pop-up box to those videos that are clickable and hopefully get more free leads for yourself. So anyway, I hope this information helped. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box. Actually, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Subscribe to my page. I add stuff all the time. And again, I wish you the best and hope this helped. Thanks.